Some machines are designed to evolve. This one was designed to endure. Exposed titanium, cold steel, mechanical precision, a machine built with absolute intent. The T-800, inspired by pure machine intelligence. Direct, relentless, unforgiving. It does not hesitate. It does not retreat. It simply keeps moving forward. No compromise, no weakness, no fear. Built for those drawn to raw mechanical presence. Machine brutality refined. One machine, one identity, one of one. SKYNET has awoken. Systems online. T-800 activated. T-800 by Black Ops Customs.